Good afternoon from the Netherlands. I'm going to start up this beautiful black Honda CB450. It's a K1, but this one has the black bomber engine in it. So the K0 engine with the four gear engine. They're pretty fast for a 450 and the sound is really cool for such a light bike. Yeah, a black beauty. Very nice bike. Just came in. Dutch plate. 30,000. The bike looks very cool with the drum brake and the two-cylinder sound. So if you're interested in this CB450 K1 with a black bomber engine in it, then contact me for more information and price. I think the bike will be listed on the website next week, probably, and if you make an account you can see price online, you can order the bike online. Of course, you can also call me, send me a WhatsApp, visit me in the Netherlands or schedule a video call to show you the bike. I'm going to make a lot of pictures, and as you probably know, we ship worldwide. When we have a name of the harbor or an address, we can make you an offer for delivery too. And if you like the video, please follow us and subscribe on our YouTube channel. We have more than 200 vintage bikes in stock. And visit our socials, Instagram, TikTok, Facebook and our website of course. Okay, thank you for watching the video again. I hope to see you back soon. Bye.